Okay, check it out. This is the Teardown 2019 Crowd Supplies Conference. This is the PCB I made for the workshop tomorrow, soldering workshop. It's a copy of the Feather NRF 52840 that they sell, and this is battery powered right now. And this demonstration is web-ble, so that Bluetooth Nordic Semiconductor Bluetooth module is going to connect to this Chrome browser here. These files are on GitHub. I'm going to hit the connect button, and you can see the sugar putty comes up right there. I'm going to connect on that and pair that right over the browser, and then the magic happens. So this is accelerometer data that's streaming in right over the browser at 200 milliseconds a pop. So really nice, might be a very good solution for, say, wanting to put sensor data, get sensor data into JavaScript really quickly to visualize it. So this is just the XYZ accelerometer data streaming in at 200 milliseconds intervals. Thanks.